So from highlights to lowlights, without just being mean about something in particular, but what were your kind of lowlights of the time?
We're going to do the same thing. Let's just be mean about SHEIN.
Yeah, that's true.
It was particularly impressive because he did spend the first 20 minutes talking about how SHEIN's business model, commercially to an accountant, their business model is phenomenal. It's put a few clothes that might be trendy on the internet, see how fast they sell. If they sell fast, make a shed load more of them and make them cheap. To an accountant who does not care about people in Bangladesh or the environment and like that is phenomenal. But then just going from we make loads and loads of clothes that are really cheap and really unsustainable to being we're going to be sustainable. That was a bizarre little flex.
It's an incredible story of innovation. I don't want to knock that in terms of how they've been able to generate demand and manage demand and rethink and re-engineer their whole process around where the demand is. But doing that has this terrible after effect. And it's not a good answer to kind of go, hey, we kind of recognize that. We just think some of the rest of the industry is bad too, and we're going to work on it gradually. And by 2050, as if that's a kind of helpful date, we'll probably be a bit better. It was an incredible blind spot for them. Really, I think that's a good thing to do.
It's only 27 years away.
Yeah, exactly.
That man will be long retired by the time that comes around.
Yeah.
But yeah,